Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to uninstall WooCommerce plugin in WordPress in 2024. Of course, whether you're switching to a different e-commerce solution or simply you no longer need WooCommerce, I'll just walk you through the correct way to uninstall the plugin of WooCommerce in WordPress. Of course, this will include removing all related files and settings to keep your WordPress site clean and running smoothly. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, go to this URL section, and here all you need to do, just go and type wordpress.com and hit the enter button. Of course, for me, because I'm going to use my localhost so I can access my plugins. Of course, for you, once if it's your first time, or you might be taken, of course, to this page. So click here to log in into your account. Because if you want to install the plugin, you probably have an account. So click on login to log in into your account. Of course, make sure to use Google, Apple, GitHub. If you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. So once you logged in, as example, you'll find yourself here. And all you need to do is simply go to this list panel and click on your plugins. As I said, for me, I'm not going to use this. I'm going to use my localhost. As you can see, it's the same WordPress. So as we said, go to this list panel and just hover plugins, and you'll need to go to install plugins. Go there, and here, all you need to do, just look for WooCommerce. If you have multiple plugins, all you need to do, just go here to the search option and search for it. As an example, you can type WooCommerce in there, and as you can see, you will find this right here. If you don't even want to use that, you can use the Control F and type like WooCommerce. It's up to you. It will both work. So as you can see, once you find it, all you need to do, just go and click on the delete button. So once you click on the delete button, as you can see, are you sure you want to delete WooCommerce and its data? So it will remove all the data with it. Keep that in mind. So click on OK, and as you can see, deleting. So you'll have to wait a bit. And as you can see, WooCommerce was successfully deleted. So we successfully installed the plugin of WooCommerce in WordPress. Now, as an example, if you have any pages created with WooCommerce, you can simply have to go to this list panel again, go to pages and click on all pages. Then you'll have to locate the pages that you create with WooCommerce, as we said, to keep your site clean. So go and select those pages, maybe as example, those 2 pages, and what you need to do is simply delete them as well. How to do that? Basically, just go in here in the top or here in the bottom and just go and click on move to trash. Then click, of course, make sure to check the ones that we set, then click on apply. This is if you want to do it for multiple pages, or you can simply go and do it for each page one by one. So go to this, click on trash, it will be deleted, go to this, click on trash. And as I said before, you can do it as an example, you can check it like that, move to trash and click on apply, and it will be deleted as well. So of course, you can also remove some some stuff, and you can even find the deleted pages in trash. If you want to even delete them from, of course, your trash, you'll have to go and go to trash right here. So as you can see here, you'll find all pages. Here you'll find your draft. Here you'll find trash. So check all the things here in trash, go to delete permanently, then click on apply. And as you can see, you will not find them in trash anymore. So your pages are successfully deleted forever. Of course, other than that, so you will have to go and why not even delete any other plugins that you may be have been using with WooCommerce, as example, maybe such as Elementor. So for me, as example, a lot of people use this with WooCommerce. So any other plugin you've been using with WooCommerce as well. So other than that, make sure to go to the new tab and make sure to go to your WooCommerce.com, log in into your account, of course. So let me just wait for the page. And as you can see, once you're logged in, you should find yourself here. Of course, if it's your first time, you'll be taken to this page. So as we said, just go and click on login and make sure to log in into your account. So once you're logged in, of course, you can go here to my stores. And simply, if you find any store right here, you can simply just go, click on these 3 dots and simply click on disconnect the store if it's still connected with your WordPress. So it will not be connected anymore. Of course, as an example, if you go and click on that on disconnect store, as you can see, by disconnecting that store, you will not get to import product notification in updates. Of course, yeah, for me, I'll just go and click on force disconnect. And as you can see, it is now successfully disconnected. If you want to connect any other store, all you need to do is just go and click on connect store and simply enter the URL of that store. Then simply you will be able to connect it. And yeah, you successfully deleted your store, as you can see in here, and uninstalled the WooCommerce plugin. So as a summary to everything, to delete basically or to uninstall your WooCommerce plugin in WordPress, you'll have to log in into your WordPress account, go to this list panel, hover plugins, go to installed plugins, and simply look for WooCommerce plugin. Once you find it, all you need to do, just go and click on delete, and it will be deleted from the plugins. Other than that, you'll have to go to pages and delete any related pages with WooCommerce. Just go and select all the pages that you want and go here, move to trash and click on apply. Or if you want to delete one by one, you can simply go here and click on trash and it will be taken to trash. If it's in trash, of course, you can always go back here to trash and even delete it from here. So other than that, one thing that I did not mention, even posts, like if you have any post like that's related to your WooCommerce, make sure to go and do the same, like take it to trash and make sure to even delete permanently from trash as well. So other than that, as we said, you will need to go and open your WooCommerce, log in into your account if you have one, and simply go to your stores and disconnect this store from here. If it's still connected, you'll have just to click on the three dots of the store that you have. Once you click on it, click on disconnect the store and force the disconnection, and it will not be connected anymore. And that's how you basically separate your WooCommerce from WordPress, definitely. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. So goodbye.